What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today is Hot Wheels time, and once again I found some premium stuff that was really hard to get here in Germany, and I guess it's really hard to get somewhere else too. We got this Car Culture 2-pack with 2 Porsches in it. This thing was immediately sold out at the online store that I got it from, and yeah, I would say it's because of this yellow Porsche. We get to that in a second. Yeah, this Nissan LBWK Team-Transport-Set was also pretty hard to get. In the end, I found it in a store. And yeah, there we are. And I would say let's get started with a quick look at the packaging. As you can see, I already took the models out. I will show them to you in a second. On the left side, we have the Porsche 993 GT2 in yellow, and on the right side the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 in there, kind of a gray card art. Nothing too fancy. We see a little bit of a racetrack in the background. This is the backside of the packaging. As you can see, the other sets are these 2 Audis and these 2 pickups, but I was only after this set. So let's put this to the side and let's take a look at our first model, which is the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. We've seen these 3 times in, or this is the 3rd time we see it in premium. Debut version was in white, then we saw it in Miami blue. I don't have these 2 versions, but now it comes in, I would say glossy gray. I think there are some, well, there's a little bit of metal flakes in the paint and it looks pretty good. And obviously we get this carbon fiber hood, and I think this also looks really good. And then we have black 5 spokes. I think they are definitely okay. Maybe 10 spokes would look better. I'm not pretty sure. Then we have these very dark tinted windows. The thing is, I mean, here on the top it looks kind of cool, but as you can see, the headlights are also part of this interior piece. And if they are that dark, I mean, it looks completely blacked out and it looks a little bit, strange. Normally, I'm a huge fan when they do these, kind of lensed headlights. But in this case, I think some clear windows, would have looked better. I don't know. Here on the back side, we have some details. We get some taillights, the GT2 logo, and this plastic wing. And as you can see, we're missing a license plate. That would have been nice, but all in all, a pretty good looking model. But now we get to the star of this set. This is the Porsche 993 GT2. And so if you're not familiar with this, the thing is, this is a re-release of, or let's say more or less a re-release of the debut version from 2013. So not a really new casting, but still looking very good. And the thing with this original model from 2013 is, if you want to buy this carded, I think it costs you, around 300 euros or even more. It's completely insane. The thing is, it's not a, it's a, precise re-release, because we got some differences. The wheels are different. This one here comes with these black rims. I think these are 10 spokes, if I'm right. They are a pretty good match for this car, and I think they do look better than on the original. And I think the only other difference is it's a little bit different shade of yellow. So we can use this opportunity to talk a little bit about re-releases. I'm really interested in your opinion. So for me, it's really cool that I now also do have this model, I never would have paid 300 euros for a Hot Wheels premium model. It's completely insane in my opinion. But the thing is, if you have the original version and it was hard for you to get it, then you might not be really happy if they do a re-release. I'm not really sure. I'm really interested in your opinion. Yeah, write it in the comments down below. I think this version looks, yeah, I mean, it's a cool car. That's all we can say. We have, on this guy, you can see we have, the windows aren't tinted that dark, and yeah, the headlights look much better in my opinion. And we don't get too much deco. We have the Porsche badge. We have some indicators, and there's a really small GT print here on the wing. The light bar on the back, in my opinion, yeah, it doesn't look that great, in my opinion. Looks a little bit like hand painted and not in the best way. That's all I can say. I like this, yeah, chrome metal base looks really good. What I don't like that much, I mean, take a look inside the huge wing. We are missing some paint, and also, if I'm right, it's also missing a little bit underneath this huge wing. So, you know, the thing is, I mean, these premium models from Hot Wheels aren't that cheap. Here in Europe, 10 euros at least, in many stores 12 euros or more. I know in the US they are much cheaper, but yeah, I think I mean, it's a nice car, and yeah, I'm pretty happy that I have it. But to be honest, paying 300 euros for such a model, in my opinion, it's once again insane. But yeah, nice one. Let's put it into the parking lot as we go on with our Liberty Walk Team-Transport-Set. On this one, I do really like the car art. We see a night scene, guess somewhere in Japan, with our, what is the Fleet Flyer and the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. Yeah, let's take a look at our model. I really like the color. This looks extremely good. It's, yeah, kind of a very plain version. We get this Liberty Walk lettering here on the windshield. I really like these small wheels. I'm not too much into Japanese cars, but this thing is a really nice version, and I really like the color. Looks pretty good. By the way, I think it's the second time we see this casting in premium. Let's put this thing to the side. The first version was in this Nissan diorama set, as you can see right here. I don't have an open version still in the packaging. I only bought this set once. There it is. The debut version, by the way, was in the mainline. This is the mainline version, and if we put them next to each other, I mean, the mainline version, as you can see, it's here on the right side, also looks really good. We are missing the details on the back, but basically the mainline version is very good. The problem with the mainline version was, if you take a look at these over fenders, we have some pretty bad paint issues here on the side, and it's not because I dropped this model. All the versions that I have, I think I do have 2 or 3 more carded. They all have these issues. Unfortunately, it's on both sides, as you can see. Didn't play with them or anything. The paint was missing. Yeah. But yeah, on the other hand, a pretty nice model. Here are the details on the back. I really like the license plate. So yeah, and as you can see, no issues on the over fenders on the premium version. Very nice. Let's put this one into the parking lot, and I would say we put the turntable to the side and we take a look at our what was it, the Fleet Flyer. I guess many people buy these sets just because of the car. In this case, I really have to say I really like the hauler. Love the matching color with the car, and as you can see, what is really cool that they've also done this Liberty Walk windshield banner in yellow. Yeah, so we have these side to side. Bring them a little bit closer. This looks really good, and it's a neat idea, and it's a really cool pair. Of course, you can put your model in the bag if you like to do that. And yeah, I have to say I also buy these sets because of these haulers. I do have some others, and I mean, this is also, or these are also Fleet Flyers Gulf version. The best one, by the way, in my opinion, still this Alfa Romeo version. But if you put them next to each other on a display, they look really good. As always, in my videos, at the end, I'm picking a favorite, and yeah, what can I say? I mean, it's definitely our Porsche 993 GT2. I'm pretty happy that I got this set. Looks really good, and yeah, once again, I'm really interested in your opinion about these re-releases. What do you think? Is it a good idea or not? Let me know. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.